So you mean to say she's kleptomaniac?
Yes, she is.
When did you know that she's facing with this disorder?
A few months back.
What kind of relationship do you have with her?
She is my fiancée.
Oh. So how you guys met?
Son ke jab nang kero chungjir ne bang nang ke phom sengve tharun ahir ke do pondet ason nang ne pharlo urli ason ke jab nang kero chungjir ne bang nang ke phom sengve tharun ahir ke do pondet ason nang ne pharlo Ing sam jin la ne kang ho na cho panong vet nang phan ajo na lo tung me si do ave ka chelo nang phan ke ne teng ne elo nang phan ke ne teng ne elo.
It was quite impressive. Our first meet. I love it and totally amazed by her. I mean to say, love at first sight.
So you were her lifesaver from getting caught in embarrassment.
Kind of, yes. Until a second meet, I never thought I will meet her again in my life. But I think God was in my favor and I meet her again in a very awkward situation.
Another encounter. So tell me, what happened next?
Bini ne sengarong pitche nang ranan ke toy nang ne farman nang long simon e kabasan chiki ke phere du grupa pan nang mekso hini ke char ke langa bolon koman tulone kaching bodun ne kelong karnuk chini ne tanang sitir klong nang pan ke ne teng ne elo nang phan ke ne teng ne elo.
Interesting.
So after that, we started meeting quite often. We shared our phone numbers.
She became very comfortable with you, I guess.
Yeah. Then I came to know about her disorder. I mean, she don't want to, but she still have the feelings to steal something which is not important to her.
That's a clear symptoms of kleptomania. So when did you propose her?
Cepadona tomo leli tok nang sengve pen sengve pache chap nang kang hon chiklo long so pe manang doi e joy tum ke sompir bi adang kaching hon amoli bikang nang alon ajak ding klui lo nang phan ka chong hon ke mang pa pleng lo nang nang pene ka cheto urli ason ke jab nang kero chungjir ne bang nang ke om sengve tharun ahir ke do bondet ason nang ne parlo ing sam jin la ne kang hona cho panong vet nang pan ajo narlo tung mesi do ave kache hello nang pan kene tenge un elo nang pan kene tenge un elo nang pan kene tenge un elo nang pan kene tenge